At least it's not my car. You know you're slamming your own car door.
Sorry?
You know you're slamming your own car door. It's not my car.
It's not my... I didn't slam the door.
Oh, okay. Try a bit harder.
Sorry?
Try a bit harder. I think you can do harder. You're getting there. Flick the shoulders, a bit more oomph.
Slamming the car door prank on him.
Oh shit, wait a minute, I gotta go get my keys. Hold on.
Grab them.
Alright.
Grab them, babe.
Yeah.
Yo, have you lost your fucking mind?
Huh? What's wrong? I forgot my keys.
Yeah, and you just slammed the door like we're in a fucking 94. Like
oh shit, wait a minute, babe. Let me get my... Hold on a second. I need my protein bar too.
Babe, slam the door again like this is a fucking 84 Corolla and I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Alright, I'm ready to go. Oh, what?
Babe, slam that fucking door. I'm leaving you here.
What? I didn't slam the door. It's a TikTok. Babe.
Fucking dickhead.
What you want me to get?
Well, I need you to get my cell phone, girl.
Okay.
Hey! Why you slam my shit? Don't fucking slam my shit!
Okay.
Try that again.
Okay, where is it at again?
It's on the countertop. Don't slam that shit, dude.
Okay.
Try that again.
Why?
You slam it again. I promise you, slam it again.
Why?
Don't. Fuck you!
What drink did you say you want?
Coke, please.
Coke.
Why are you slamming the door? You're slamming the door.
Oh.
You slammed the door.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
This girl.
Slamming door prank on my boyfriend.
The blue one. What the fuck was that?
Wait, you sure you don't want Powerade?
Just give me the Gatorade. What the fuck is she doing? What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Slamming the fucking... What the fuck are you doing? You're fucking slamming the whole fucking thing.
What'd you say you want?
Chaps.
Psycho. Psycho.
Slamming my boyfriend's car door to see his reaction.
Because it didn't make sense to just leave it. What you mean? You mad?
Okay.
Bye.
What am I supposed to be doing?
You suck.
What? You said sit right there.
Babe, so do you want the bowl or the burrito?
The
bowl?
obviously.
Alright, I'll be right back. Oh wait,
Damn,
the wallet.
nigga, you gonna
The wallet.
slam my motherfucking door,
What?
dude?
I just need the wallet.
Seen the whole motherfucking door? Bro. Stop
Babe.
playing with me, bro. Stop slamming my motherfucking door. For real. I'm
It's
finna beat your ass
nothing.
next time you do that shit.
Oh my
for
god,
real.
then you come and get the bowl.
Alright, now I'm gonna fuck you up.
Okay, I forget which picture. Which one?
The blue one with the Volcom sign?
Okay.
Thanks. Dude.
Did you change your mind?
Yeah, the red one.
Oh.
Hey!
Wait, babe, I forgot to ask. Did you want a Gatorade too?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
Alright. Yo! No. No. Stop. Bro, seriously.
Yo,
Baby.
what's wrong? Why'd you hit the door? That
What'd
was
you-
loud.
Why'd you close it so hard?
That was really loud.
Baby, I love you.
What did I do? I closed it hard?
Yes.
I didn't mean to. I'm so sorry.
I love you. Be careful. Okay?
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Bye.
Are you sure you don't want Gatorade?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
Yo!
Grab.
Sandwich stuff. Just like mayonnaise, bread, turkey, cheese. That's honestly a lot, and some chips, maybe.
Okay, that's all.
That's it? Yeah.
Okay. It might take me a while because it's Costco. But
Okay, yeah, sounds good. Thank you. Oh my god, she's coming back. Okay, thank god.
I forgot my purse. I'm sorry.
Baby.
What? What?
Oh my god. I'm sorry, honey, but that like hurt me on the inside. You just slammed the door so hard. And I like... Oh, I'm sorry, but it's just like... I love you so much, but I just... Can you please not do that again?
Yeah,
Just
sorry.
be more calm with it in the
Sorry.
future. No, it's okay. I'm not mad. I love you. I just wanted to tell you. Okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. No. I love you.